Hi guys, this is Abby here at Approved Detailing. Today we are going to speak about what seems to be the car of the moment, the Jetour T2. So, this car seems to be very in demand at the moment in the UAE. You have all kinds of clients buying the vehicle, and also, interestingly, a lot of clients who have the Defender or had the Defender who are now buying the T2. So it's a very interesting car. We have the car with us here at Approved today for paint protection film. We've already worked on some of them as well, but this is the first one we're filming to do the full process start to finish. So yeah, this one's finished in the black, which a lot of the cars here in the UAE, and it's also got a tan interior, which we'll show you in just a moment, which seems to be kind of the best popular option. So yeah, let's talk about the interior. Oh, you can see Jetour just written on the floor there. It says Jetour Travel, so that's interesting. And then I'll just show you, this one's got its nice tan interior. So this seems to be kind of one of the most popular combinations, either black with tan or black with black, that I've seen so far. But also for exterior colours, I've also seen like a sandy colour on the road. And also then, I think I've seen some white ones too on the road as well. But I think we've only worked on black ones here at Approved so far. Another interesting thing, just before we go any further, is even the keys are a little bit different. You can see those? Very strange, very different. I'm not sure I can compare it to a key of any other brand, but let's go and look at the rest of what we're doing on the car, and also we'll explore some features later on in the video as well. So guys, we're midway through the Jetour transformation. So as you can see, we've already put on quite a bit of the PPF this side, and then if you guys come round to the other side, you're gonna see some of the pre-cut here. So you see, this is fresh, see it's pre-cut, but we actually extend the template. So once it's dry, you're gonna see that we'll basically make it round the edge and stick it down, and then you're gonna have full coverage, more so than you would if we just left the templates as is. And perfect timing, because we have Koya here who's about to do the door. Is the door ready to go on in a second? Perfect, we'll wait here for you. Good, so Koya Chris, he has the door here. So as you can see, you can make out the shape where we've pre-cut it, and then here's the door here. But one thing you're going to see is, do you see this part? This is the door handle. So as we're not removing any badges or panels, Chris has got a slot in the template there. So when we put it on, as you can see, go Chris, go. You're going to come around this side. And as he's putting it on nicely, you're going to see that this part, I'm going to let him do it properly, but I'm just going to show you for the camera. This part's going to slot behind, so you won't be able to see. But at the same time, we have the benefit of not having to remove any parts of the car. So as you can see, the transformation is still pending, but we're getting nearing completion for the main parts of the body. So you're going to see the finished product here, which is the XPEL Stealth. And then this is the original paint here that you can see is a metallic black. And then if you go inside, we're going to show you a particularly interesting part of the template. Good morning, Wendell. How are you? Can you show me the Jetour front wording, please? Yeah? Perfect. He has it as if he heard me coming. You see this? So we're going to be putting even across the front where you have the Jetour wording is even pre-cut there. Well, here's the PPF template again. Here it is now, it's cut. So the guys will be putting them off on exactly, and it's going to be a perfect fitment. So guys, we're at the final end of our journey on this Jetour T2. So to recap, we've done a few things on this car. The main thing being the paint protection film. This is XPEL Stealth. So this is a satin finish on glossy paint underneath. We've also done interior ceramic. We've done window tint, including a visor strip. And then also for the client, we've put a few accessories on as well. Like for example, the light at the top. There we go. And then if you guys come around here, you're going to see that we've made the yellow parts of the wheel, and then the roof rail there and now black. And then also we've done the ladder, which is round here too.
Forward, money driven, major fraud, breathless, body, diamond, balance, wanna be it, wanna feel it. money, power, and big, 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 but I'm big, 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 but I'm big, money, power, and big, 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 but I'm big, I'm right, big, 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 but I'm big.
Feel it, rage, power, weakest, forward, money, driven, major, fraud, breathless.
So guys, what do you think? I hope you like the look of the car. Please remember, come this way to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!
Be it, wanna feel it.